Sawadee-krap, I'm Michael, founder of A+ Building Solutions. Today I would like to show you one of our most popular products, the Sectional garage door in a fully glazed version. The door behind me is a fully glazed sectional garage door. The glazing is made out of 2 sheets of acrylic with an air gap to insulate the door. The frame is made out of a strong aluminium profile and you can freely choose the color. Let me show you how to operate the door. The door opens smoothly due to the high quality rollers, tracks and springs installed to the door. The operator, made in Germany, opens the door quickly within 10 seconds. Once the door is open, it rests underneath the ceiling. Many customers ask me, why is it like this? This is because, firstly, this way the door is out of the way and creates a big open space. Secondly, this prevents the panels from touching each other, which can cause scratches and dents, which often happens with standard rolling shutter doors. The door is sealed by a special designed rubber seal on all 4 sides. This design can even deal with uneven floors of about 1 cm. Your garage door will be still completely sealed. The unique plastic shoe at the bottom of the frame protects the frame from rust and corrosion. Now let me show you the safety feature of the door. The power sensor operator will detect any obstacle walking inside the door. Slightly reverse. In addition to that, we also fit a photo cell to every door, so you don't need to worry that your child, your car or anything else will be harmed. Our operator features the highly secure German bi-secure encryption. We also offer various remote controls, push buttons and a Bluetooth app. For home automation users, we have a standalone home automation system with foamy cubes, or we integrate the door in your home automation system. If you prefer more privacy or better heat insulation, you can replace aluminium frame glazing by a solid panel. This solid panel is made out of 42mm PU foam in between 2 steel sheets. The panel is very strong and durable. There are 3 surface options available: wood grain in any color, micro grain in one of the preferred colors, or a wood-like laminated panel in golden oak or rosewood. Our garage doors can be produced up to a width of 11.5 meters. For 2 cars, we normally recommend a width between 5 and 6 meters. Finally, a quality product will reach its maximum with a good installation. Our team is well trained and has a lot of experience with installations. That's why we can service a door professionally. That's why, when you think about a garage door, think about A+ Building Solutions.